Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Today is Wednesday. I am up early because I need to do my hair and I have a few errands to run. Let me show y'all really quick. I am wearing my pajamas from Target. Now, if you guys go get this set, I would say size up because this is an extra large. And y'all see how it fits on me. It's really comfortable, but they fit like my normal size. So I would say go up a size. Or just try it on in the store, but very comfortable. I'll leave the link to them in the description box below. You do have to buy this set separate, so yeah, I'll leave the link to them in the description box. But I am getting ready to do my hair. I am using Get a Hair today. So thank you so much for sponsoring this part of today's video. So let's do an unboxing and get this wig on. Okay, y'all. So I finally did it. Y'all know I got this ribbon from Target, but how pretty is this? This has to be one of my favorite little trends that I've been seeing on Instagram. And then the girls will have like the ribbons tied on their glass and then they'll wear like a little hair bow. And it's just the cutest thing ever. Look how cute mine is. Oh my gosh. This is their 6x4.5 HD pre-bleached knot Kinky curly wear-and-go wig. The unit comes with 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, along with an adjustable strap. So I did put some foundation on the inside of the lace so that it can match my skin tone a little bit better. So I did that. I've never worn this type of curly hair before, so we'll see what we can make happen. Be back in a few. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair looks. I know it looked wild, but honestly, I'm not too nervous about this one because the last Jackie unit that I tried, I was hella nervous, but it turned out pretty good. So I'm pretty confident in this unit, but I have to put some product on it. So this is how it looks straight out of the bag. It does have some shorter pieces in the top. So this will be my first time wearing some hair like this. So what I'm going to use is some of the curl activator cream. If I can too. So we're just gonna, let me take the top off because this stuff comes out a little slow. I'm gonna take about that much. I'm not gonna do too much, and I'm just gonna run the product through the hair. This is just gonna define some of the curls, but I am obviously gonna put some water on it because you can't walk around like this. Okay, so we're gonna just put some product all through it. And this will also soften the hair up because the hair doesn't feel as soft straight out of the bag. And that's just because of the type of hair that it is. So already the hair's not looking as dry. And then I'm just gonna spray some water on it, and you have to soak it. But remember I told y'all when you use the curl activator and then the water, it'll kind of stop it from getting big like this. Versus if you were to just wet it down, it'll still kind of puff up. So just having like a little bit of product on your hair just helps control that part. As you guys can see, it's getting more defined. But you have to really, really soak it. This is thick too. Alright. So we got one side. How it looks. Throw that in the back. Yeah, I'm gonna have a towel. And then let's just soak this side. And this is the shedding that I'm getting so far. Pretty straight to the point. The hair is big and full. And I know some of my girls really like this look. This isn't really something that I would wear, but I wanted to give it a try. This is how it looks in the back. So yeah, she is really full. So if you guys decide to get this unit, just remember that you should, I would recommend putting a product on it just so you can help define the curls a little bit and it won't look so dry once the water dries on it. But overall, the unit is really cute. I do like it. Very natural looking unit. You can fool a couple of people. The lace is good on it. The parting is deep. So yeah. Cute. It looks very natural. See those curls? Very natural looking. So that is it. I'll have all the information in the description box below. Okay, y'all, so I am back from my doctor's appointment. I was thinking making my own Avid calendar for my son and my husband would be a really fun idea, but I don't want to leave myself out. But I thought that would be a really good idea, but because it's December 6th, I'm trying to decide if I should do like the last 12 days up until Christmas, or should I just start now? Because y'all know today is, like I said, December 6th, and so I don't know how I should do it. So I just need y'all advice on that. What y'all think? Y'all think it'll be a little exciting to wait like 12 days up until Christmas, let them open up a gift every day until then? I'm gonna go do some Christmas shopping on that probably tomorrow because it's already pretty late. And I have to go pick up my son soon, so I really don't have that much time. But I want to just put together a list of things that I can get, and they can be big or small. They don't have to be like extravagant gifts. So it could be anything from a pair of socks to a gift card to Cold Stone. You know what I'm saying? Because my son, y'all know he loves sweets and ice cream and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put together a list of things, and I just don't know when I should start it. So I need you guys' advice. What do you guys think? But I thought that would be really, really cool to do. Just wrap up the gifts and give them a gift every single day. I think that would be so cute. I wanted to try to do, hold on, this is my doctor's office. Hold on. Hello.
Hey, Leslie.
Hey. Okay. So, yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, so what I plan on doing, I'm gonna put together a list and just do that for however many days y'all tell me. Y'all help me out. Oh, I know what I was saying. I wanted to do some stocking stuffers this year. I've never done that before. So I wanted to try to do like some stocking stuffers, but when I went in Target, I could not find any tees at all. So I'm just like, okay, whatever. So I thought that this would be a good idea, which I wish I would have thought of it sooner, because I've purchased like so many different things that would have been good gifts to do this with for my husband. Like y'all know, I got that foot massager because he always be complaining about his feet because he stand up on his feet for work, and he always say like his feet feel so tired. So I bought the foot massager, which we all use that. It's just so relaxing. And then he's been complaining about his back, so I found this right here. Let me show y'all. Right here, this is how it looks on the outside. I just unplugged it because he just sit in his chair and do it. We all use this too because when I go to the nail salon, I like to do the massage setting that I like to use is the kneading. And so this has that on it. It just has that one setting. It doesn't have like the vibration. I don't know what it's called. Like it doesn't have the chop. It doesn't have the, what's the other one that it does? I can't remember, but this one only has one, but it can rotate either direction. So let me show y'all how it looks. So this is how it looks. Look at that. It's so cool. It kind of hurts a little bit. So it doesn't have any Velcro where you can, you know, attach it together. It has these little parts right here. Let me show y'all. So it has like these little inserts. You just put your arm in it and you can hold it as tight or as loose as you want, like this. And then you can just kind of sit it like this. But your arms are controlling like how tight it is, because if you get it too tight, it does get deep in there, so it hurts a little bit. Or you can do it on your lower back. So what we like to do, we just sit in the chair and just hold it if I can get my arm out. We just lean up against it while it's sitting on the chair and let it just massage your back. It feels so good. And then, like I said, you can change the direction of it. So instead of going in, you can make it go out like that. I actually like the outward better. But yeah, so I wish I would have thought about this and I could have got this for, but when did I get this? I got this last month. And like I said, we all use this because I just be sitting in the chair like, oh, get down and dirty. It worked good. It goes for 15 minutes. So this will also be a good Christmas gift for a woman or for a man. But if you guys are into just being relaxed, y'all know me, I am the pampered queen, okay? So this type of stuff I just love. And like I said, when I go to the salon, I always put it on this setting because it just feels so relaxing. It says that it's supposed to get like hot and stuff like that, but I don't feel any heat from it, but it's supposed to get hot. But yeah, just little small little stuff like that. Nike socks, you know, just little stuff like that. So I need a little bit of advice. What should I do? Because I think myself right up out of it. I would think myself right up out of it. So I am gonna put a little list together, and then tomorrow, if I decide to give y'all an extra vlog tomorrow, girl, if I do a vlog tomorrow, I might as well be doing VLOMAS. But if I decide to do a video tomorrow, then we will go shopping together. If we don't go tomorrow, if y'all don't see it tomorrow, y'all will come with me. I'll vlog, because y'all know I have my little OSMO pocket, so we can go in public. I gotta sneeze. But if y'all don't see the video tomorrow, I still will be taking you guys with me to do it, and we can pick up some gifts and wrap them. And I don't know how I'm gonna present this to them, or how am I gonna tell them that this is what we doing. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Maybe do they have some stuff like this? Let's see. Do they have me? I'm sure they do have men avid calendars, but child, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out, and we'll figure it out together. Y'all give me some ideas in the comments, like how should I present this? What should I say? Or should I just give them a gift and tell them, okay, every day you can open a gift up until whatever. So that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me, this extra video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Iamsherikab and TikTok Iamsherikab_, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.